This 2023 Forest River Sabre 37FLL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 42 feet 9 inches in length and 49 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth-wheel RV features front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Forest River Sabre 37FLL is 11,918 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.